Hello guys, my name is Pravyado and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality do follow article submission backlink. So the website name is penzu.com. So this is a website URL and this is a website dashboard. So before the started we can research something about this website. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 78 and according to Moj, the domain authority is 78 and the spam score is only 1%. And according to similar web, this website having around 1.3 million monthly traffic and mostly traffic from USA, India, UK, Canada, Australia and another country. So this website having high traffic, providing do follow article backlink and the various country traffic. So if you're wanting to increase crawlability, audience traffic source, brand building from that kind of countries, then must you guys will create your article on this website. So now we can start. So firstly I can provide this website URL over the description section, so where you guys will access easily. So first thing, you guys will click on the sign up button and click on the sign in button. Then after that you can click on the sign up here. There you can put your first name. So first name is James and Walden. Then you guys will choose your email address. I am choosing this name because of there is no requirement for the profile creation, profile optimization, so that's why I'm using the genuine name. And there you can choose your password. After that you can click on the create account button and you will see this is your profile theme, so cover theme. So you can select any of color option. After that you can click on the next button, then you can click on the next, again you can click on the next. This video is sponsored by intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description intently.co and your account is ready. So this is your article dashboard. So every time if you are publishing a new article on this website, so simply you can click on the new entry, then you guys are able to publish a new article. So firstly I can click on the new entry, then you can see this is your article dashboard, article submission dashboard. So I have already prepared content for this. So this is my article title, sorry for that. So I can paste it my title over there. If you wanting, so you can add your brand name as well, and there you can add your content. So first thing I wanting to insert the image. So let me take this screenshot because I don't have a fresh image. So if you wanting to insert image, so simply you can click on the image icon and there is a upload image. Either you can also upload image through URL. So I can choose from the, I can upload from the desktop. After that you can click on the insert image button and your image is inserted. So from there we can start adding our content. So this is the content and this is the hyperlink. So let me open in the new tab and the keyword is traditional versus virtual interview. Traditional versus virtual. So if you wanting to if you wanting to insert your website URL, any your targeted keyword, kind of a hyperlinking. So firstly you can select your keyword and you will see if you can click on the three dot. No, you can click on the text formatting and you will see there is a hyperlink insert link icon. So you can click on this and there you can paste your website URL. After that you can click on the OK button. So your link is inserted. So if you wanting, so you can make it bold and now I can add my overall content. Little be that looks like something faster. Actually, I already did formatting, my text formatting in this doc. There I already optimized my headings. So this is H3. This is should be the H2. So I already did my all the things. Let me convert. So there is no any heading option. So you guys will also wanting. So you can ignore these things. Okay. So overall, we have successfully added our overall content. So firstly we can make it unbold. So when you guys are uploading the content, you guys will make sure to you can add a content through the control shift V, because uh, this would be automatically converted into a bold format, and if I wanting to change, that would be not changing my text formatting. So what should I can do? Remove formatting. Yeah, so I think this thing should be work. Remove formatting. Then if you wanting to, you can make it bold your text. So you can follow the same process if you wanting to change any text. So you can remove formatting from the text. Simply you can select your text, click on the three dot, there is an option to you can remove text formatting. Okay, so this is a process for the, you can firstly you can optimize your article, then after that you can click on the, and also you can add your tags in this. So this is a pro feature, so you can ignore these things once you guys will complete all the things. So first after that you can click on the three dots, and there is a share option, you can click on this, then you can click on the share via public link, and you can click on the generate a public link, and this is your article landing page URL. So I can show you in incognito. So this is instant approved backlink or not. So you can say this is incognito dashboard, and this is our article title, and if I can show you, this is a no follow or do follow. So you will see this is a 100% do follow backlink with contextual. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So today we have created a very high quality article submission backlink on this penzu.com. So overall this is the process. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create a rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay yaar, bye bye and take care.